One class, we had 2 guys that were about 300 to 350 apiece, and they both stood on one pitch hopper on a 12-12 pitch, and it never moved. So that tells you how much these things will hold on to. They got a foam piece on the bottom. They work really good is what they do here. The goat is another tool. This tool was the original tool that came out first, and so the pitch hopper's only been out for a couple years now. The goat's been out for a little bit longer. It goes up and over the ridge and it hangs on, and then you can stand on the handles, you can pull on the handles. I know people in New York that actually will tie off of the handles. It's not OSHA approved, but if the guy falls off, it's a better chance of him stopping there versus falling all the way off. But again, it is not designed for that. They actually have a test where they pull on this handle, and it's like 800 foot-pounds, and it deforms it, but it never does break. So again, it is very strong. It is very good. When you're on this, you want to be on it. You don't want it to be over here, because if you're over here and it's going up here, there is a chance that you can kick this handle over, which will flip this up and then it will fall off. And so that has happened. So that's why I'm telling you, you want to be on it. The Ridge Pro, this is the only thing that is OSHA approved. If you are OSHA approved, but it does have to have the screws into it as an anchor. So you actually have to put 4 screws into it to make this as an anchor, and then it is technically a OSHA approved for that. So if you're just getting started for the first time, I would suggest either Cougar Paws or the Feelers. I would also suggest the pitch hoppers and get 2 of them. That's what I would suggest. And they're about $125 a piece, or $100 a piece is the pitch hopper. Get 2 of them, and that's what I would suggest for you. I personally do the goat because I'm a little bit scared of heights, so it gives me a handle to hang on to, and it gives me a little security that way. But that's just personal. DJ, he didn't like the goat much, and he likes the pitch hoppers, right? And he used to be really scared of heights, but he gets up on there with the pitch hoppers, and he does jobs now with the pitch hoppers. You should have your harnesses you can do it the bucket harness, you can do it with the lanyard. Again, I would tell you to probably get more safety training. I'm going to give you some of the basics, but you can never have too much safety training.